back to my channel, and I know you guys would be getting bored at home, and today I've got you a DIY hair mask. And with this hair mask your hair is going to be voluminous, and it is also a protein hair mask, so therefore your hair would be healthy, shiny and stronger. So a lot of benefits, so make sure you watch till the end. And also guys, follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter, so the links are down in the description box. And do not forget to turn on the subscription button so that you are updated with everything I post, and also the notification bell. And now let's start with today's video.
So the first ingredient is an egg, and then we are going to add a vitamin E capsule to it. Now guys, you can add 2 or 3 capsules as well, because vitamin E capsules बहुत cheap होती है, so it's like 1 rupee per capsule. So add it because it is very good for your skin and for hair as well. तो ये आपके hair growth को promote करता है. Now the next thing I'm going to add is a lemon. Now this is half a lemon, so I'm going to add the lemon juice into the mask. And this has antifungal properties. It promotes hair regrowth. तो अगर आपके hair grow नहीं करते हैं, so lemon juice is going to be very beneficial for your hair. And then I'm going to add 2 spoons of castor oil, because castor oil again has antifungal properties. It removes scalp infections. It also fights against dandruff, so it's super good. Now you can see this is how my hair actually looked in the beginning. So before I applied the mask, and the ends are very brittle and dry. So actually मतलब split ends kind of thing भी हो रहा है, but it's not too much, but it's there. And you can see my hair has lost volume in them, so it's not at all voluminous. And this mask is going to sting guys, but it's okay. So मतलब एक wash कर लो, second wash में smell would go. Now how you have to apply is you have to take sections of your hair, and then you have to apply the mask on the entire section. So pick a section, apply the mask on that section, and then wrap it around your head. So that way your hair will be made into a bun, and मतलब it will not be dirty around yourselves. तो बहुत ही clean तरीके से आपका hair mask लग जाएगा. Now I've added 1 egg to this mask, as you have seen before. So if you want to add something else like a curd, because you would not have egg right now, or you do not use egg, so you can use curd as well. Also guys, अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा oily hair है, so what you need to do is you have to remove the yellow part of the egg, and you have to only use the white part, so that आपके hair को nourishment मिले and जो extra oil है वो निकल जाए. Yeah, so this mask is really nice, and it actually worked on my hair. My hair feels smooth, shiny, and I also feel कि मतलब I'm not having hair fall, so I'm happy about it. And 1 egg was more than enough. You can see my hair length, it's nice. I have long hair, so ये पूरा mask was sufficient for my hair. So if you have shorter hair, it will be more than enough. I think you can use it twice, and that's it. You have to wash your hair with paraben-free, silicone-free shampoo. So I prefer that thing. And yeah, apply this mask for like once a week. So you have 2 more weeks left while you are at home, so make the most of it guys. Apply this mask and take care of your hair, and make them happy and nourished, and so that when you go back to your office or school, or like to your college, so everybody is astonished like, oh my god, your hair is so good. That's it, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Make sure guys you are safe, and yeah, bye.